This is actually only the second murder mystery that I have ever been to. And murder mysteries, have you ever been to one?
I have not, no.
They are so fun because you get in an email or a letter, whatever, your character, and you have to stay in character. Nobody else knows your character. And then you get a list of the other characters, and you have to kind of study up on the characters to know what their part is in this deal. And this is the first time that we've done one as a client event, as a introduce your friend event. It'll be interesting. I think it'll be a lot of fun because we have some really quirky clients that really get into it. And I mean, we dress up. I mean, the last one I went to, it was a deal. You know, you dress up, and the one that we're doing is a 20s theme, so it'll be really fun.